everyone, welcome back to the Canon of Math, and today we're going to be learning about something that I really like and it's fun, and it's variable expressions. So we're going to learn the basics of writing a variable expression. So, as always, we're going to start with an example. So, write an expression for 6 more than B. So, first of all, I have to say what a variable is. A variable is a letter or anything, any symbol that you want to put for a number that we don't know. Okay? So a variable expression is like a mathematical expression that has a variable in it, that has a number that we don't know what it is, and we're trying to figure that out. So the first step to solving variable expression is being able to write them. So here our variable is B. Okay? So we have B, so it represents a number. In the past, we would put like question marks or like squares and triangles, but now we put letters. Now that we're older, A, B, or like X, Y, these fancy little letters that don't really mean anything special. It just means they're just representing a number that we don't know and we're trying to figure out. So here we have a number called B. We don't know what it is. And we want to write an expression for 6 more than that. So we have 6, and more means add, so we put a plus sign there. So B plus 6. So 6 more than B. Okay, let's do another one. Write an expression for 8 less than M. So, again, M is a variable, meaning it represents a number. So, M. And then we want 8 less than that. So, less means subtraction, right? You take away 8. Okay, that's a variable expression. Now we're going to do another one that's a bit different. So we want an expression for the product of 9 and C. So what is a product? So the answer to a multiplication sentence, so something multiplied by something, equals to the product. The answer of a multiplication sentence is called a product. So, we want to write 9 times C. Okay? But we can eliminate the multiplication sign and not write it. Okay? And instead, we do 9C. What? Well, when we have a variable, we can put the number behind it. You can never, ever, ever write C9, okay? You write 9C. We have 9 of C. And we can just skip the multiplication sign and just write it back to back. That means multiplication, means 9 times C. But for the convenience, we just eliminate that and we just write 9C. And let's do another one. But for this one, you can pause the video and see what you get. And we'll do it together. Okay, now let's do it together. I hope that you did try it and did pause the video. Now let's do it together. So it says 98 decreased by K. Okay, so we have 98, and the decreased means going down. Decrease means going down. Increase means going up. So right now we are decreasing, we're going down. So we subtract k. Okay, that's our variable expression. Now time for the question of the day. So this one is a little bit different. Again, all my question of the days are different, so you guys can have a challenge and try new things and learn new things. So this one wants an expression for 98 decreased by the product of m and n. So I want you guys to try to do this by combining the ones that we did in this video. So watch this video over and over again and understand it fully. And then if you have trouble doing this, that's totally fine. We're gonna check it together in my next video. So make sure to check that one out for the answer and solution. And I hope that this video helped you and you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, and if you want me to go over a topic again, or if you have any questions about any topic of math, or you want more examples, explanation, anything, just let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Love you guys. Bye.